Let's begin with our best in swimwear for the male category, bronze medalist.
Ito yung favorite ko swimwear.
Yes, ito yung confident talaga. Our bronze medalist is from the College of Nursing, candidate number 3, John Lucky Augustus.
And bronze medalist is from the College of Radiologic Technology, Shitan Mangaba.
Konti na lang, papunta na tayo sa exciting part. At pipili natin ang ating top 6.
Okay. Okay na to. Sige, follow natin yung certificate. No, Beto. Okay, let's proceed with the silver awardee.
Our silver medalist for best in swimwear for the male category is from the College of Information Technology, candidate number 12, Rosh Antonade.
And our silver medalist for swimwear, it's candidate number 1, Maria Giselle de Leon from Education. Eto na, gold medalist.
Let's get to it. Olivares College, sino ang inyong best in swimwear?
Okay, to present the award for Best in Swimwear, we have Dean Sernan de Maiwan and Dean Cynthia Acosta.
Our best in swimwear for the male category, gold medalist, is from DRLO, candidate number 5, Khalid Sarten Iwida.
Khalid! And our gold medalist for swimwear, we have candidate number 7, MJ Vidal from IBET DRLO.
Congratulations to all the winners. Best in swimwear from male number 3, John Lucky Augustus, silver number 12, Rosh Andrade, and gold number 5, Khalid Sarte from IBET. Best in swimwear from female, bronze is number 3, Shiatan Mangabat, silver number 1, Giselle de Leon, and gold number 7, May Vital. Congratulations!
Eto na, Best in Formal Wear tayo. To present the award for Best in Formal Wear, let's call on stage Mary Andre Garindo, Miss OC's second runner-up, and Matthew Sentison, Mr. OC 2025.
I
And
believe
Alan Recebio from Criminology.
this is our final major award.
Final na ito.
Malapit na i-anunsyo ang top 6. Let's get to it. Our best informal wear for the male category, bronze medalist. He is from the College of Accountancy, candidate number 10, Gerald Adopante.
And for the bronze medalist, women's division, let's give it up for candidate number 7, MJ Vidal from IBET DRLO.
Now let's announce our silver medalist for best informal wear for the male category.
to be awarded by Jennifer Magasin, Miss Universe Philippines Paranaque 2025, and Darbawan Supani, Ginoong Paranaque Turismo 2026.
Our silver medalist for Best Informal Wear for the male category is from DRLO candidate number 5, Khalid Sarte Iwida.
And our silver medalist for the women's division is from the College of Nursing, Eliza Barosa, candidate number 6. Eto na! To present the award for our gold medalist for formal wear, we have Miss Grand Philippines Paranaque 2025, Maybelline Namo, and Miss Grand Valenzuela 2025, Dayan Cavadula.
Olivares College, ito na ang final major award.
Sorry. Miss OC pala. Miss Olivares College 2025, Liza Marie Craven.
Nalilito ka na, dami na kasi mga beauty queens.
Sabi kasi beauty queen, asa mo si Dayan?
Let me hear you. Sino ang inyong best informal wear? Our gold medalist for the male category is from the College of Information Technology, candidate number 12, Ross Andrade.
Information Technology. And our gold medalist for formal wear. Sino sa tingin nyo, guys? Give it up for candidate. Huling award na to. Candidate number 1, Maria Giselle de Leon from Education.
Congratulations to all the winners of Best Informal Wear from male, bronze number 10, Gerald Adaptante, silver number 5, Khalid Sarte Evida, and number 12 from gold, Rosh Andrade. And Best Informal Wear for female, bronze number 7, MJ Vital, silver number 6, Eliza May P. Barosa, and gold number 1, Isel De Leon. Congratulations!
Okay.
Okay, eto na, guys.